Your product isn't failing because you move too slowly. It's failing because you're moving fast in the wrong direction. In the next 2 minutes, you'll see why your busy roadmap quietly kills good products and how to fix it. You probably think more features mean more value, but every new feature is a bet, and most of your bets are blind. That's why your team feels slammed, yet nothing important improves. Here's the twist. Your real product is not the app, or the device, or the platform. Your real product is the behavior change in your user. If that behavior doesn't change, the rest is decoration. Think about your last release. Did you define the exact user action you wanted to increase in a way you could measure this week? Or did you ship phase 2 and hope for the best? Hope is not a strategy. It's a very expensive habit. The hidden problem is requirements theater. Long specs, detailed tickets, perfect designs. None of them prove the idea should exist. They just prove you know how to write documents. Your brain loves this because it feels like progress. But users don't pay for your effort. They pay for solved problems. Here's the unexpected angle. Your backlog is not a to-do list. It's a list of untested assumptions about human behavior. Treating it like a queue instead of a lab is how good teams ship bad products. So what do you do instead? Before building anything big, force every idea through 3 simple questions. What user behavior will change? How will we measure that change in 14 days or less? What is the smallest thing we can build to test it? If you can't answer all 3, you're not ready to build, you're only ready to guess. And guessing with a full team is the most expensive way to learn. Here's a practical move you can use this week. Pick one active project and pause all new feature work for 5 days. Define one core behavior metric for that product: signups, activations, weekly use, whatever actually matters. Then design the smallest possible change that could move that number by even 2%. A copy tweak, a shorter flow, a clearer empty state, a better default. Ship only that. Watch the metric for 7 to 14 days. If it moves, you've learned what actually works. If it doesn't, you've learned cheaply. Either way, you're now doing product development, not feature decoration. This will feel slower at first because you're thinking more and building less. But that's the point. You're trading fake speed for real progress. Your product fails when you treat output as success. It starts to work when you treat behavior change as the only score that counts. The busy feeling won't vanish overnight. But once you see every feature as a bet on human behavior, you stop worshiping the roadmap and start serving the user. That's the quiet shift that turns "we ship a lot" into "we move the needle."